Blast distributed airdrop rewards. In this video, we will talk about Blast. About 3 months ago, I made a video on my YouTube channel about Blast. After my first video, I also made other videos explaining the importance of Blast and why we should activate multipliers. On June 26th, which was 2 days ago, Blast distributed the rewards. Many users received their rewards. If you haven't received your reward yet, go to the homepage of blast.io to claim the rewards you won. Then click on the Claim Phase 1 Airdrop button. You will see this screen. Click on the Claim Airdrop button. This will bring up the video prepared by Blast for you. Since I've watched this video before, I click on the Skip button. And here is the airdrop I earned from Blast. I earned about 110,000 Blast. According to the current price of Blast, this is approximately $2,500 worth of reward. To withdraw the reward to your wallet, you need to click on the Claim in Blast app button. After doing this, a QR code will appear. Scan the code with your phone and go to the application directed by the code. This is actually not a mobile application. Just add the Blast app in the browser to your phone's home screen. In this app, after entering the 4 words given to you into the Blast site opened on your computer, your account will be synchronized and your reward will be sent to your wallet. You can sell the Blast you earned on any platform you want. I used the Thruster site to sell. You can find useful links under the video. Blast's airdrop rewards were bad for some users and very good for others. This varies from person to person, but I must say that those who put effort into it are satisfied. I was happy with the reward I earned because I worked hard to earn Blast Gold. Moreover, this process only took 3 months. Compared to other airdrops, I think we got great results. We understood how important Blast Golds are in this airdrop. Now Blast's new season has started and all rewards have been reset. We have a new opportunity to earn Blast points and Blast Gold. Register using my link and don't miss Blast's new season. Everyone says the rewards of the new season will be even bigger. We'll see what happens. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. See you in the next video.